Hey y'all, so I just want to make a real quick video about how wrong I was on USDCHF. This is crazy. So as you can see, I had this drawn up, kind of the play that I was looking for. I was looking for it to roll over. MACD still doesn't look the strongest, but for some reason I was looking for it to roll over actually below where all this traffic is here. So we've got EMAs, we've got pivot points, just a whole lot going on right in there. I don't know fib level wise. Yeah, it looks like I drew something in there yesterday. But yeah, we're kind of in the no man's land for the fibs, to be honest. So I shouldn't have kind of counted that out. Um, every once in a while, you kind of get locked in on what you think is going to happen. You kind of hurt yourself a bit. We didn't really respect the 50 on the 4-hour chart. That's the first sign. This does not look like it's rolling over. This actually looks like it's pretty bullish. 4-hour chart. 1 hour. Just kind of looks like it might be peaking out or sustaining its pace, whatever. Anyways, very interesting that I thought we could pull over, roll over from here. We didn't really have a pullback or a big move down to kind of set it up. I think we were in this area when I made the first prediction, so for those who need to see it visually, this is around the time I made that prediction. It was looking like that. I thought we might go sideways, consolidate, and drop. Reasonable, but kind of not really any strong facts to back it. No big reaction, no rejection bars to set up a reversal, nothing like that. So, yeah, the good thing is I never was triggered into this, and we just kind of saw it go against us without, it costing me anything. But then we actually get a chance to see what it looks like when price action rejects a level, and it stopped on a dime here at a recent key level that I drew in. Let me go back out here. Yeah, this is a key level we drew in the daily chart, and it's also coinciding with the 50 EMA, so it's a good sign. Big bar, don't like that. Maybe tomorrow's a smaller bar with a long tail. I would love to see that, and then try to take this down from up here. On top of that, since we had such a move higher, our pivot point for the hour chart is going to be somewhere up here. So I'll probably be able to actually enter into a situation like this. Let me go ahead and get rid of that now since we don't need it. I'll be looking to enter into a situation at the appropriate time. It looks something like that. Drop us down to 3.8, which is where we've been respecting previously, or maybe the 50 if I'm lucky. And obviously, I don't know where my stop is going to be, but it'll probably be somewhere like this-ish. So yeah, first profit target's going to be around 2%, looks like. That's nice. I'll work with that. But again, gotta let it develop. I like making these predictions just so I can kind of see the size of the move. But it's a bad practice to just try to like set up a limit order based on that. I do need to see rejection. I do need to see a daily bar that isn't huge like this one and is smaller with a longer tail, smaller body with a longer tail, trying to push higher but not being able to get the job done. That'll be perfect. And then you trade off the next day. So today's Tuesday. That means I'm entering on Thursday, maybe. Yeah, entering on Thursday and closing out on Friday, hopefully, is what I usually want to do. But then we got another oddball factor situation with the market being all beat up right now. I'm not 100% sure if this move is going to be relevant when it's pegged to the dollar like this. So we'll see. All right, peace.